You are. goes on. I'm done praying for you. As this mic on, have to break the silence, 'cause words are stronger than all alliance. I let you kiss me if you say you miss me. I just wanna feel alive. So suck it up. If you can't ignore me, I live alive. You should record this. Look at me flying, so satisfying. See you bluffing when you act like nothing. You know better, babe. You know better, babe. You know better. Why you letting down everyone around you? Now something's gotta change. Something's gotta change. You know better. You know better than the life you're wasting all this time. And you never told me it's not a crime. But did you plan this? You left a stitch mark. Karma is a bitch, and I will never be a victim. Life goes on. I'm done praying for you. Life goes on. I'm done praying for you. No use in doing shit like that. No use in sitting down like that. No use in shutting up like that. You know better, babe. You know better, babe. You know better. Why you letting down everyone around you? Now something's gotta change. Something's gotta change. You know better. You know better than the life you're wasting.
Hey, happy Monday morning. March 20th. God, this month is getting close to being over. I hope your morning is going well. Mine has gone well already. I'm up $100 on my day so far. I've already traded this morning. I didn't get to record the trades. I've been having computer issues all morning. A little frustrating. I don't know if there's live streams coming through too well this morning, but I've got some CPU issues, so I'm going to have to do something about that. But I ran out of time, and now it's time to trade. So let's take a look at what we have today. So far, my progress on this... Hold on, let me make sure. Yeah, so far, my progress. Anyways, I am up $778 since the beginning of the year, since I started trading real money again. As you know, before this, I was trading in a simulator to perfect my strategy. I have plenty of simulator videos on the YouTube channel that you can watch. Did a few different challenges to test my strategy and then went live with it in January. So doing pretty good. I started out in phase 1 where my daily goal was to make $20. And then once I hit $500, which was right up here, now my daily goal has increased to $50 a day. Right now I'm sitting up 2 times my daily goal. You can see the profit there at the top of your screen. I can also show it to you here. These are the 2 stocks I traded, NYCB and PACW, $105 combined. So I can go over those trades for you real quick since I didn't get to record them. The 1 minute time frame will go all the way back here. Let me see, which one did I trade first? Yeah, actually I traded before 5 o'clock, and I usually kind of announce that I don't trade till like 5 or whatever, but today I saw NYCB coming up on the scanners, and it was a little light on volume. It was looking like this, and I was like, well, you know, this equilibrium here looks pretty good. You get the high, low, lower, high, little choppy, higher, low. So I was a little hesitant at first, but it broke out over 850. There were big sellers on the bid at 853, so I waited for it to break through 853, and then it shot up through the high. You know, it shot up over this level. So, you know, I got in it as it pulled back for a second, and then I sold it. And I didn't hold it for this big move up to $9.13. That's a daily level. We can look at that real quick, all the way up here. So that's a daily lower high. So that was one level where anybody in this was looking to sell at that level. Bears were looking to short. So yeah, and then I actually made pretty good money on this stock, but then I traded it on a pullback to this level down here. And look at this drop. So it dropped really fast and hard. And I was actually red on the stock for a little bit. I added back to it down here towards the volume weighted average price. We also had this support. What was that? Oh, I was looking at this right here, this pivot area right here. We came right down to that. So that's where I bought back. And then on this bounce, I made back my loss and ended up green on the stock. And then I didn't trade it again after that. And now it's making a move back up towards the highs, back up towards that $9.13 level. We have a equilibrium here. This looks like a flat top breakout setup. I'm not trading right now because it's pre-market, but if you were to trade this, there's your flat top. Bulls looking to continue to make higher lows and then finally break through 903. So anything above 871 on that 1 minute time frame is a higher low. I wouldn't really call this a higher low. And then I traded PACW, and I don't usually do so well on PACW. Yeah, what was it looking like? It had been consolidating. This was a little bit later. So it broke out over this period of consolidation here. I still didn't trust it, but then as we got up to here and it was looking really strong, there were a lot of buyers on the bid. I bought on the little dip right here, and I was only looking to scalp it because it was already extended. I was just looking for a small scalp. So if I back up here, it was looking like that. And I was thinking, well, you know, we're probably due for, you know, a pullback, but I'll buy it for a small scalp. It pulls back to 1120. I jump in it and it shoots up so quick, like really fast, that suddenly I was up almost $100. And so I'm selling it. And I'm like, wow, that was crazy. Amazing. So that puts me 2 times my daily goal. And then I haven't traded since. And if I don't see something really good, I might not trade. And so far on the gap scan and the Hive Day scanners, we'll take a look at those. That's what's on my scan this morning. LFCR. That's a cheaper stock. I don't really like those kind. It doesn't look, the chart doesn't look the best either. The rest of these, I don't know. There isn't really anything that looks too good except for what I already have up here. Okay, so that flat top breakout possibly going to happen here. Bulls might try to give it an attempt. You see the inside bars here on the 5 minute. Inside bar. And we know that inside bars mean equilibriums on smaller time frames. So bulls are going to attempt here. A little pullback first. Let's look for that break. If I was trading this, I would probably be getting in this now with my stop loss somewhere down here. And PACW also looking like it might want to do something. So the larger time frames, let's see, what do those look like? The 15-minute and the hourly time frames. So this is the 15 and this is the hourly. We had an hourly inside bar bull break. 15-minute, well, you could call this a higher low. I don't really like to, but it was a nice long period of consolidation. So I'm going to call that a higher low. So we could say on the 15-minute that we put in this higher low and now we're going for a higher high. Anything below 912 is a lower high. So we want to see a breakthrough 912 in order to maintain a 15-minute uptrend. Keep the bulls in control. Here we go. There is the break. Now we wait to see if it can hold up. 2 minutes to go till the market opens. And on PACW, larger time frames, hourly inside bar, favoring the bears a little bit. There's an equilibrium on the 15-minute time frame. With a high, low, lower high, higher low. Now looking for a break over 1123. Your support is down here at 1067 and 1056 and a resistance up at 1185. The 5-minute time frame, we've certainly bounced enough to pull back and form a higher low. So NYCB not really holding up yet, but it's not giving up either. It's just kind of, it failed to close above 903, but that's doesn't mean much yet. The market's about to open, so this could be a gap and go setup. Okay, so I am ready. I hope you are too. Good luck in your trading today. I hope it goes well for you. And I'm going to watch the candle ranges on the 1-minute time frame. Big range there, 30 cents on PACW. We have 27 cents on NYCB, so then I'll change my stop loss parameters to match that. And let's get rid of some of these lines. Buying the dip at $9. We'll see if that holds up. Just selling it quick. Oh, I'm tempted to buy PACW here. I'll go ahead and buy it. And I'll sell that. I have my stop losses out pretty wide because I don't want to risk a lot. I'm okay just making a little bit of extra money on the day. Nice break on PACW. I feel like NYCB has a pretty good chance of making some good moves here, but I don't know. We gotta get above 912, 911. And stay above it. Close above it. There we go. Little back test of that level. I'll buy the back test on it. My stop loss is down at the low. Yeah, that's more pullback than I wanted to see. I'm going to get back out. And I'm going to buy PACW at that pivot area there. Don't like that. Yeah. Okay. So giving back, I'm below $100 profit now. Okay, I'm going to buy the dip here at the volume weighted average price on NYCB. Moving my stop loss up pretty tight. DPST is hitting the high of day scan. Go ahead and sell that. DPST, let's take a look at that. No news. UBS. That one's got some news on it. It's got a really high float, though. But it is making some moves. I'm going to pull it up anyways. UBS. Here's UBS over here. Yep. Taking a small loss on it. Thought I'd give it a shot there. Oh, SOXS. I traded that one the other day. That one's popping up in the scan now. Oh, it's dropping though. That one looks pretty gnarly. Take a look at SPY, see what it's doing. Pulling back. Okay, SPY is breaking the low of the day. Yeah, I don't like that. So PAC-W coming up against that resistance, that might not have been the right place for me to buy it. I'll take a profit quick on NYCB. Let's see as it tries to get back up above 11 here. Yeah. Okay, I'm back. I'm in over here in UBS. Looking for 1960. Selling it there, but not for much. Pull up SPY. Keep an eye on that. Get rid of that one. That's ugly. SPY is bouncing. But just looking for a lower high on the 1 minute. Bigger drop on PACW. Broke the low of the day. I take the profit up there at the resistance. I'm in a trade over here on UBS, but it's pulling back now, so I don't know if I should have jumped in this. It broke out, it pulls back, I jump in. But I'm holding it. We'll see. A lot of buyers on the bid. Making me a little bit nervous, but we'll see if it can hold up here. I did move my stop loss up on it, so that way I know what I'm risking. $17. I'm flattening it there. It is an inside bar. All right. This thing, it looks like it wants to go. But I took some trades today, and I dropped below 100. I am now back up above 100, and I think that's where I'm going to end it because I like the fact that I can put a 100 on my YouTube thumbnail. It shows that I made a three-digit day. That's a pretty good day. I don't want to drop back below 100, and my trading this morning has not been that great. But you know what? I'll sit and watch. Maybe something great will happen and I can jump in something really cool. PACW is bouncing. What I'm looking for maybe is something on NYCB here. It could be a bear flag though on the 5-minute. So I don't know. Got to be careful with it. If we get the bull break here, does it surge up really quick, make a move up towards the highs? Does it previous so that low of day there, or does it break out and then fail? I'll buy for the break and just see if we get it. It's breaking, but it's not breaking very. A lot of buyers on the bid. There must be some hidden sellers because it's just not wanting to do it. I'm just going to sell it real quick there. I didn't want to hold it. I wanted it to go quicker. And now maybe it's going to do it, but I didn't want to drop below $100 profit. And now PACW, I just don't feel comfortable buying it as it's breaking out. We could get a back test here to this previous level. But we're dropping below it now. High of day is up at 1139. I didn't end up trading DPST. Yeah, so NYCB just not holding up there yet. But it might still go. It just maybe needed to consolidate a little more first. Yeah, PACW still looks good. Maybe for a move through the high. Just looking at the larger time frames. 15-minute, lower high, higher low. It's a bear break, bull break. Actually, I think it was a bull break, bear break, bull break. Something like that. I want to buy Pack W here. I'm just like, I don't know. If I'm saying I don't know, then maybe I shouldn't. What do you think? So get rid of that line, and now I've got a resistance at 878. So we get the move to the high. I'm just going to sell it there. I'm up $110 now. Look at this breakout over here on DPST. I'll go ahead and buy that. Since I haven't traded it yet. A lot of buyers on the bid. Oh, I sold it for nothing. Great. Just a lot of sellers on the ask on DPST there, and right up around 854. So when I see something like that, it's like, well, you know, yeah, 855, a lot of sellers. CNTB. Okay, so we broke 855. All right. Talking about DPST. Pack W breaking the high, hitting my Hive day scanner. Oh, by the way, I did post my scanner settings on the website, so if anybody's interested, you can certainly go check those out. I'm watching UBS over here. Want to break the high. 1976. Oh no. That's more of a pullback than I wanted to see. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get out of that. Back below 100 again. That is a bummer. I'm adding for the break on UBS. See, it shouldn't be pulling back that far. So now adding was probably not the best way to go. Wow, nice break on DPST. We got stopped out over here on UBS. Yeah, you know, I'm going to sell this right here. There we go. And a lot of sellers on the ask. So I'm going to get back out of that. Equilibrium here on PACW. Jumping in this over here. That keeps happening on this one. UBS, I keep buying it as it's breaking out, and then the next candle pulls back. Keeps on getting me. So I think I better learn from that. So we have a 1 minute uptrend on NYCB. I'm buying PAC W. They're looking for a higher low on the 1 minute. Looking for an equilibrium here. High, low, lower, high. Looking for scouting a higher low. Anything above $11 is a higher low. So it's bouncing pretty good. I'm moving my stop loss up now. So I'm only risking $4. I see SPY is bouncing as well. I'm just going to sell that right there. So I don't like how things are pulling back, so I'm going to get out of that. I think we have a potential here to break through the high. I'm going to go ahead and buy it for that break. We'll see if we get it here. There it is. Whole lot of sellers on the ask on that. Nice. Okay. So, oh wow, look at it go, man. Making a nice move up to the high. I bought the pullback on it. Okay. Well, as I said before, my trading today has not been good. You know, I could have done so much better. I just have not been doing great. So I'm going to stop there. I'm back up over $100. I'm sitting at $111 on the day. I know this is going to keep going, but I'm spinning my wheels. I'm going back, I'm going forward, I'm going back, going forward. I'm not getting anywhere. So there's no point. I'm going to stop right there. I've been nervous a few times, like, God, I don't want to end the day only having made $50, but even that, still, that's good. That's my daily goal. So there's nothing wrong with that. Anyways, what a Monday. This trade review is going to suck. I took a lot of trades today. How many trades did I take? 99 fills. Gosh, that's going to take me forever to do. All right, well, let me see here. So I'm up. This is March 20th. Whoops, that's not right. March 20th. And today I made 111, 111.50. Shaboom. Oh. Well, I don't know what's going on there, but I'll have to fix that. Weird. Yeah, anyways, so now that puts me up $889. I'm getting close to 1,000. So hopefully I'll get over 900 tomorrow. Let's take one more look at those charts. And boy, you know, we still have momentum. And this looks like it wants to go. SPY is moving up. But I'm not trading anymore, so that's it for me. You have a good rest of your Monday. I'll see you back here first thing tomorrow morning. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.